Radiator Repair Business, Orange, New South Wales. This well-established and trusted business is offered fully equipped, walk-in, walk-out, with no nearby competition. Servicing Central West New South Wales for decades, with an extensive client base, the business is ripe for expansion and growth. The business repairs, services, and supplies mining, industrial, agricultural, and automotive radiators, oil coolers, air conditioning condensers, and more. There is also a growing demand for the business's sandblasting and Vacua aluminium blasting services. With no competing radiator repair business nearby, the client base extends from Lithgow to Cobar and from Mudgee to Canberra. Clients include major mining companies, heavy vehicle repair shops and operators, automotive and agricultural repair shops, and more. Consistent income is assured with many repeat clients, plus new customers through Facebook, Google, and referrals. Woods Radiators operates from excellent premises in the centre of Orange, with low rent and $85,000 of assets. Currently owner-operated with casuals as required, the sale includes all equipment, stock, consumables, tooling, and existing work. With potential for expansion if desired, this is your chance to buy your own business at a great price.